Hi everyone, this is Ryan coming to you again from the Center for Young Musicians with another CYM Practice Point. I want to show you today how you can help all of your notes to start clean. The first thing that you do is you put the bow on the string, then see if you can wiggle the string side to side without making any sound. Once you know how to wiggle the bow side to side without making any sound, the trick is find the lightest bow that you can and still wiggle the string side to side. Once you've found the lightest bow, play the world's shortest note, a bow pizzicato. This gives you the feeling you should have at the beginning of every note. Try it on all your strings in a bunch of different positions because the thickness of the string and the length of the string is going to change how it feels. Hey, thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below if the CYM Practice Point has helped you when you're polishing up your pieces. Check out Center for Young Musicians on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course YouTube. And check out the link in the description below for information on our lessons and other program offerings. See you soon.